Welcome to the in front of me Nokia G11, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's just open the notification panel, and here in the top bar we can see all the visible icons. We can add here some icons or to remove some of this one, or just to change their position. So how to do that? We should click on the left down corner here to the edit icon, and after that you'll see here these invisible icons. For example, to add here some of this, just the hotspot, hold it and drag it here to the up section by this way. Or the second way, we can remove the icons from here, just hold it and drag it to the down section. To change the positions of the icons also, just hold and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. Then just to save the changes, go back, and here you will see all of the changes on our top bar. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.